We're here today to celebrate its completion, not just because MDOT, our contractor, and our consultant, but because of the commitment that this community has made to making this project a success.
This is really a project that was done by everyone that's here. This is a partners project.
This is a completely different, once-in-a-generation transformation of our downtown and the artery that puts people not only into Traverse City when they come to visit, but also our surrounding areas.
This is about us working together as a community to make good things happen for our people, whether it's walkers and bikers with the TART trail, or the infrastructure, as Mayor Shamrow said. Roads and bridges, a huge priority for our state. When we work together, we get really good things done.
I want to thank everyone from Elmer's and MDOT and the city for keeping downtown open throughout this entire construction process. All the businesses were very appreciative of all the work that went into that, and I know it wasn't easy.
Thanks to all the businesses, the residents, the drivers, pedestrians, and bicyclists for all their patience during the work. We know it's not easy.
The fact that this project is done, it looks amazing, and it was ahead of schedule is a testament to all the factors that went into it between our partners, blessing of the weather, and everything else that sometimes has to come together, but it came together beautifully on this project.